Have you ever felt like your PC is acting off? Maybe apps are opening by themselves, your files are disappearing, or it's just way slower than usual. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to find out if your Windows PC has been hacked. And trust me, it's easier than you think. All right, first things first, let's run a full malware scan to make sure nothing dangerous is hiding in your system. Press the Windows plus R keys to open the run box, and type in MRT, short for Microsoft Removal Tool. Hit enter, and a window will pop up. Now here's the trick. Don't just go with the quick scan. Select full scan, then hit next. This might take some time, but it will scan every file and folder on your PC for malicious software that might be spying on you, stealing data, or worse. Step 2 is super important. We're going to check if someone else secretly has access to your PC. Open run again, and this time type netplwiz. You'll see a list of user accounts on your computer. Take a careful look here. If you see any unknown usernames, especially with admin privileges, that's a serious red flag. If anything looks off, select the account and remove it. This step can literally kick out a hacker from your system. Next, let's make sure nothing shady is running in the background when you turn on your PC. Right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Then head over to the Startup tab. Here, Windows shows you all the apps that automatically start when you boot up. Look for anything you don't recognize, weird names, random software, or anything that doesn't belong. Right-click and hit Disable on anything that seems suspicious. Stopping these programs can help speed up your PC and cut off any backdoor access tools. All right, now hopefully your Windows is safe. Anyways, don't forget to leave a like, it would really mean a lot.